China just shipped a 2.4 trillion parameter monster and says it can trade blows with the best models America's got. This is AI Wire Daily. Alibaba calls Qwen 3.8 Max its largest and most capable model ever, and it's claiming performance that rivals Anthropic, OpenAI, and even domestic rival moonshots Kily K3. On the Arena Text leaderboard it trails only Fable 5 and 3 models in Anthropic's Opus family. For front-end coding, just 2 Claude Opus models and Kily K3 beat it. That 2.4 trillion parameter count sounds massive, but bigger doesn't always mean better. The real story here is how fast China keeps closing the gap, and how little the benchmarks are laughing. Apple is about to ship OS 27 in a couple of months, and with it a brand new Siri AI, a standalone app with full conversation history that takes complex prompts, reads your documents, and actually performs actions. It's Apple's answer to ChatGPT and Claude, pre-installed on hundreds of millions of devices. It pulls context from your messages, mail, and contacts, which no outside chatbot can touch. But it's still no frontier model, and the moment it becomes a real chatbot, expect people to compare it to what they already use and find it wanting on everything except knowing you. A startup just did something no US nuclear company ever has. It powered an Nvidia AI chip with its own reactor. On July 1st, Valar Atomics plugged an Nvidia DGX Spark into a circuit fed by its Ward 250 reactor, which hit self-sustaining criticality out in the Utah desert weeks earlier, becoming the first US reactor to supply power to an AI chip, entirely outside a national lab. This is the clearest sign yet that the AI power crunch is dragging nuclear back to life, fast. And investors noticed. Sequoia just led a $1 billion Series B into Valar, valuing the 3-year-old El Segundo company at $6 billion, triple what it was worth months ago, plus a $200 million credit facility. The plan: stop building 1 reactor a year and start manufacturing a fleet, factory-made, and shipped out to power AI data centers. Founder Isaiah Taylor says he wants to go from 1 reactor a year to 1 a month. If he pulls that off, the data center power wall could crack wide open. Finally, Agentic AI keeps eating boring corporate work. Indian startup Kily raised 30 crore, about $3.2 million, led by Soren Investments, with Razorpay and Wiser Capital joining. Its autonomous agents help consumer brands make thousands of e-commerce decisions a day, tuning product visibility, ad spend, pricing, and inventory from real-time marketplace data. It already works with FMCG giant ITC. This is where agents actually earn their keep, not flashy demos, but grinding through the decisions humans hate making. That's the AI news. Subscribe, this stuff moves fast.